Can Land Rover Defender wheel spacers cause vibration? People worry that the Land Rover Defender wheel spacers may cause vibration. In fact, Land Rover Defender wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is a strong sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The thickness of the Land Rover Defender wheel spacers and the tightness of the lug nuts are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most vibration problems are balanced on hub-centric Land Rover Defender wheel spacers. Hub-centric spacers mean there is a big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made large to fit a variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spacers are centered on the vehicle hubs only by the wheel studs. If you are using the cheap spacer, there is a high risk of vibration. In this case, well-produced hub-centric Land Rover Defender wheel spacers will be the easiest solution. As long as you use quality Land Rover Defender wheel spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable for off-road. Since the wheel studs and lug nuts use a clamping force to secure the Land Rover Defender wheel spacers and wheels, if the studs or lug nuts are not strong enough to support this process, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel studs of BONOSS Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are made of high-strength, forged SDM 440 steel material. They have achieved ISO standard grade 4.9. With high strength, your Land Rover Defender wheel spacers can be amorphous without breaking. Hub-centric Land Rover Defender wheel spacers keep the wheel centered and balanced on the vehicle hubs while driving. After the spacers and wheels are properly grouped, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center bolt of the wheels to the hub of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issue.